The guys are good to go today for Top That Trade, starring Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Knuckman, an options trading pro. Here we go, guys, with round number one. Do me gloomy. The S&P 500 has been on its best winning streak after a presidential election since 1936. What are your odds of a rally rocket from here?
Well, let's first of all enjoy this. Everybody's making money, so we've come a long ways.
Everybody.
Every stock almost has gone up over the last few years.
Almost.
But I want to point out, since the 2009 lows, we've seen 17,000 points in the Dow, 2,000 points in the S&P, and 5,000 points in the NDX. So almost every stock has gone straight up.
And sometimes it's not a bad thing if the market does pause, you know, and to be honest with you, a lot of times when the market goes straight up, it gets too frothy, and what goes up fast can come down even faster. So actually, I think it would
elevator
be a good
up,
thing.
take the stairs up and the elevator down.
Let the market catch its breath, let's see the growth, back the numbers, and let's go to solid, sustainable growth, and that's going to be good for everybody.
3,100 is the upside target if we keep this same growth rate in the S&P earnings, so that's another 20% above. Now, I didn't agree necessarily with the Forbes analysis that 80% of the time the stock market's going to be down over the next 5 years. I don't know.
Round number two, tax plan. What stocks have the most to gain from that tax plan proposal? Some of the names on the list could be Apple, CarMax, or Verizon.
You know, they're all very interesting stocks, and they should all benefit from the tax plan. You know, Kinder Morgan was one you left off.
That's one
of them.
Natural gas.
Natural gas. I think it's a new era of
4-month
natural gas,
highs.
low prices. This is a stock that's been beat up, and with the tax benefits for big energy, and the Trump administration should do very well.
Some of those stocks you just listed are paying an effective rate of 35%, which is they need a better accountants, is really what it comes down to. But Kinder Morgan's been trading between 15 and 25 for the last 2 years. Look for that to break out. Like I just said, natural gas is on a run, and we've got crude oil at 2-year highs, so energy's on the go. But my theme for today, Apple.
Apple again.
Listen, they've got so much cash with this repatriation. They have so much cash. They could buy Netflix and Disney and still have money left over. So they're getting in the content business. They've got a lot of cash, and if it comes over free, look out, look out. We're hitting $1 trillion, which is $193 in the Apple stock.
Well, hopefully they'll buy those companies, because I hate them sitting on this cash. And to be honest with you, I think their products are not
That's
that
a lot of
great.
cash.
It is a
That's
lot of cash. You know,
well,
if
they
I
made
was
$10 billion last
right.
quarter, profit, $10 billion. So if their profits aren't that great, somebody's buying them.
Somebody's going to buy them. But you know what? The other one I'm worried about, and I think is flawed in that, is Home Depot. You know, the concern, of course, that we're going to start not allowing people that buy $500,000 homes, mortgage interest. I think that is kind of a red herring.
Round number three, Tinder Gold. The company that owns Tinder is Match.com Group. That stock has doubled since March from $15 to $30. Do you love it or hate it?
The gold version costs $10 a month. So for millennials, $10 a month is two coffees, right? Not a big deal. These people don't pay for cable, so they're paying their Netflix subscription, their phone subscription, and now they got money left over for Tinder because it's the wealth effect. Everybody's feeling wealthier, and it comes back to Apple. It's going to help out Apple because people have to do this on their iPhone.
Alan is looking for love in all the
Cheerleader.
wrong places.
I'm a
Once
cheerleader
again,
today. I'm a
he's
cheerleader.
a cheerleader today for Apple, Netflix. But I'll tell you what, these dating sites are hot. This stock does look very good. But how many dating sites do you need, Alan?
On to your bonus round question for today.
Bonus round.
A shuttle in Las Vegas recently ran into a road bump. Was it that the shuttle suddenly shifted into neutral? Did that shuttle get hit by a semi, or did that shuttle just keep stopping at Starbucks?
I would say that the shuttle, I would like to say it stopped at Starbucks. If I was on there, it would stop at Starbucks. But I say it hit a pothole and it went in neutral.
I don't want to be negative, but I think it got hit by a truck.
No.
Alan, you got it. The shuttle was hit by a semi.
Oh! See?